Hi, good afternoon guys. How are you doing? Welcome to this video review. People, I came here to talk to you about Cortexi because I know people close to me who do suffer with tinnitus, who have like always that ringing or like ticking sound in your ears. I'm pretty sure that for each and every person it's different. I'm not sure. But people close to me who do suffer with tinnitus, I told them about Cortexi and I realized that this is a fantastic supplement that can help you to support, your tinnitus and help you to support your overall hearing. But not many people actually know about its existence. So stay right there, guys. Don't go away just yet. You're going to realize how amazing Cortexi is. It's not just going to help you with your hearing. There are other benefits you get out of it. So let's jump right into it, shall we? I know you're going to be looking to purchase Cortexi, which is why I already went ahead and left their official webpage in the description box of this video. So by going there, you're going to make a reliable purchase, a safe and secure purchase, and better yet, receiving the original Cortexi. But now, a lot of people are always asking, how does Cortexi work? How is it going to help me? And what is Cortexi? It's actually so simple. First of all, you need to understand that Cortexi is created using only best natural ingredients. This is the first formula that doesn't include side effects, that doesn't include gluten or GMOs or contradictions or toxins. It is actually really natural and safe. And since it does come in a liquid form, all you pretty much do is you can place that a full dropper, glass dropper on your tongue, or place it mix it with water and you take it, and that's it. Cortexi has substances that are really great in antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that can help you go directly to where you have tinnitus and start treating it directly from there. If you have hearing loss or your hearing is really bad, Cortexi is going to help you regain your hearing, and it's a really great support formula for your hearing and your cognition. That is the other benefits. Cognition, guys, our hearing, our vision, our brains, everything is wired up. And when one gets damaged, basically the other one answers for it, right? So cognition needs to be well supported as well in order to have great hearing, great vision. So Cortexi helps you to fix up your cognition, get rid of any toxins or inflammations there as well. And you're going to have enhanced memory, better focus, more mental clarity. So this is a supplement that is powerful. It has natural ingredients that are working really well for so many people. Not anyone, well, up to this day, I haven't seen anyone complain about Cortexi. And it is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility right here in the States. It's totally trustworthy and safe, right? So all you got to do is maintain your treatment very seriously. Use Cortexi every day up to 6 months, and you are going to have amazing results, guys. Oh yeah, before I forget, you do have a money back guarantee, in case Cortexi doesn't work out for you. You're not losing your money. You can just go back to the official webpage, talk to customer service, and they're going to help you to get a full refund. So how amazing is that, right? Visit this link right here to get to know more about Cortexi. For now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Bye.